What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn a simple yet very effective way to deactivate or remove Elementor widgets that you are not using. And why you should do this. Imagine that each widget of Elementor calls a piece of code and the code occupies a couple of time to be loaded, so it can make your site bigger, it can make your site load slower, it can make Elementor harder to load for your final users. So if you are not using, the best option is remove, right? So imagine the following scenario. You already finished your site, it's all good, the client approved it, or you like the content, you won't change much content, you're just gonna use the same layout. So all you have to do now is check if you're using or not some Elementor's widgets to remove. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, log into your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. Always remember to access WordPress dashboard on the browser address bar, domain plus wp-admin, enter with username and email and password, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over Elementor and hit the submenu Element Manager. And right here, you can see every single element of Elementor, every single widget of Elementor. Here is where you can fine-tune Elementor to your workflow. Disable elements you don't use for a cleaner experience. More focused, create experience and improved performance, okay? This is the best part, in my opinion. So, how to know if you're using some element or not? There is a button. Scan element usage. As soon as you do this, the Elementor gonna search for all the pages of your site and check if you're using. For example, I'm using the heading a couple of times, I'm using text editor a couple of times, but I'm not using tabs. I'm not using accordion. I'm not using intersection. I'm not using image. I'm not using image box. I'm not using icon. I'm not using icon box. So I can remove, simply turn off the elements that I'm not using and I have no plans for using into the future. So set off, hit the save change. Sure, you want to save this change. Turning widgets off will hide them from the editor panel and can potentially affect your layout or front end. So you're just gonna remove the code, okay? So if you did use this into some part, it's gonna make the layout broke. But once I'm not using those widgets, nothing to worry. Simple, easy, and effective. In the case that you have made some change, there is a button, Enable All. You can enable all back and set one off, save change, review the site, set another off, review the change, save, check site, and repeat the process until you find the problematic one or until you find the perfect balance between enable or disabled elements. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.